the jungle. It's so exciting, exotic, mysterious, and we are inviting you on an adventure. So pay attention, please, to pythons, macaws, and all the other species. Mammals, insects, birds, bees live under the shelter of 100-foot trees, where living things vary from jaguars to ants, and it's home to more than half the world's animals and plants. The trees are high, they don't let in light. In fact, it's dark in the jungle, so you think it's always nighttime. Little sunshine under the trees. The average temperature is 75 degrees. It's quite wonderful, you'll see what it's about. It's fun, thrilling, so come check it out. The rainforest, the tropical rainforest. The rainforest, the tropical rainforest. Now you've seen the forest, so come on and meet these various animals and interesting species. There's a sloth, if you've seen one before, you know it moves slowly and has long claws. The red-eyed frog has suction pads to cling. They climb vertically, I guess that's their thing. Howler monkeys, now they got the style. Their house can be heard over half a mile. And that's a caiman, waiting a while for its prey to come. It's related to the crocodile. And that's a snake, a unique creation. They crawl and blend into the vegetation. And that's a tapir, I know, of course. It looks like a pig, but it's more like a horse. More than 1 million species to study in all, like the jaguar, ocelot, monkeys, and macaws. All of these animals mean so much, but we can lose them all